Hello, this is Keith Graham from Codasip. I'd like to introduce you to assignment 4, block diagram. Now, block diagram is part of planning. So the traditional design cycle is you do some coding, you try it out. If it doesn't work, you have to debug it, resolve the issue, reiterate. And you keep on doing it until you get the result that you're looking for. Now, we want to reduce that cycle time, and we do that by planning. And how does it reduce it? It is a process of planning helps you think about what is the architecture of what my code is going to look like. What are the functions I need to implement? So the planning process helps you figure out what you need to do actually before you start to type it. And once you start typing your code, it will go much quicker because you have an idea already in your mind what you need to implement. Now, by planning, you also will reduce the number of errors that you implement in your code. And by reducing the number of errors, you reduce the biggest unknown, which is the debug time. Debugging is the biggest unknown to any project that you do. And by reducing the number of times you have to debug, you'll reduce the amount of time on each of the assignments moving forward in this project. So planning is very important. Two main planning techniques or processes are: one, developing unit tests. You might have done that in a software project. And you did that in the previous assignment 3, regression tests. You started to learn more about what you have to implement in the processor by writing the test to test the different operations out. For example, in the load immediate, or excuse me, not load immediate, but the say add immediate, you find out that the immediate field is a sign operation. So by implementing that in the unit test, you start to understand that you have to implement that in the processor itself. Planning. Now, another big tool is visualization. That's what block diagram does. It helps you visualize what you need to implement, and therefore it's a very good planning tool as well. You'll be doing that in this assignment. Now, one good tool for block diagrams is draw.io. And let's move over to that application and I'll show you what you'll be doing. When you type in draw.io in the address bar of your browser, it will take you to app.diagrams.net. Now, you should be receiving from your professor a file, which will be a template that you will complete for assignment 4. Now, I'm going to open up the template, and it should be called assignment4.xml. And when you open it up, you'll notice that there are 6 tabs on the bottom here. 5 of the tabs are each of the stages of a 5-stage pipeline. We have the instruction fetch, the instruction decode, execute, memory, write back, and the 6th one is a component, and this is a symbol of a multiplexer that you can copy and paste where necessary to help complete assignment 4. Now, the work that you do in assignment 4 will help you visualize what you will be doing in future assignments, such as assignment 6. So this should be helping your planning process and helping you in the future assignments of this course. Good luck!